Carbon emissions and pricing are important economic and environmental considerations for any fuel, chemical, or energy system in practice. With a global emphasis on reducing emissions, carbon taxes and restrictions are and will be more prevalent as we push towards a more sustainable future. Because of this, accurately tracking and pricing carbon equivalents within your process simulation is more important than ever. Aspen Plus and Aspen HYSYS offer an innovative solution by reporting flowsheet-wide Scope 1 and Scope 2 emissions. You can choose between multiple standards from the EU and US, or even provide your own custom inputs. There are many options to select from for the ultimate fuel source for your flowsheet to calculate the CO2 equivalents. You can also set the value for the carbon fee or tax in dollars per mass unit. You can then view the emission reports after you have successfully converged your model by going to the emissions summary in Aspen HYSYS or the CO2 emissions results summary in Aspen Plus. This will show you all sources of CO2 emissions from both material streams and utilities in your flowsheet. For example, Iraq Petroleum used Aspen HYSYS to calculate and predict emission estimates with 95% or more accuracy. This functionality was used to simulate various cost-effective fuel sources, increasing refinery margins and ensuring the refinery always met site-wide emission thresholds acceptable to regulators. By regularly updating their models based on plant data, they were able to reduce the time taken to perform calculations manually and have data available at their fingertips. Aspen Plus and Aspen HYSYS make the calculations and reporting of carbon emissions easy for a defined process flowsheet. There are multiple choices for standards used to calculate emissions, with a flexible carbon pricing option. View the net CO2 emissions easily and save time by looking at the emissions summary report. With these tools, decisions on the viability of a process now and in the future can be made with sustainability in mind. For more information on AspenTech's emissions reporting capabilities, go to the website listed in the description below.